The argument, of course, is that shale gas is less carbon intensive than coal and hence a good thing. The two problems with that argument are, one, carbon's not the only thing we have to worry about, and we release a lot of CH4, methane, when we frack gas, and methane, molecule for molecule, is about 23 or 24 times more greenhouse gas dangerous than even CO2. So if you're leaking very much out of your fracking fields, you're causing at least as much trouble as if you were burning coal. The second reason is that even though it's less carbon intensive than coal, it still has plenty of carbon too when you burn it. And when the International Energy Agency modeled what would happen if we managed to get the whole world onto natural gas in a huge way over the next decade or two, what they found was that by century's end, the atmosphere would be 660 parts per million CO2. That's way, way, way beyond what any scientist thinks is safe to imagine. It's about twice the level of carbon in the atmosphere that the scientists tell us represents a kind of safe level, 350 parts per million. So this is, unfortunately, one more way to keep us from making the full-on transition to renewable energy that we have to make. Cheap natural gas will undercut sun and wind, it already is, and stall that transition just as it's beginning to get started. So this is just one more example of trying to rip apart the earth in order to find, well, extreme energy that lets us keep doing what we're doing for a little while longer. And it is a dangerous false solution to a really, really serious problem.